Web 2.0. The second phase of the evolution of the websites is called Web 2.0. It was started from 2000. We can roughly say that the in the 21st century, the beginning of the 21st century was a starting point of the development of the Web 2.0. So, what is the difference between the Web 1.0 and Web 2.0? The major difference was the creation of the content. Now, more people can create the content, and the system on the basis of which these kinds of websites are developed, it is called Participative Social Web, in which the producer of the web or the creator of the web, as well as the users of the web or consumer of the web, can also participate on the web. So what are the features of such kind of websites? The first feature is the pre-sorting of information, permits user to retrieve and classify the information collectively. The second feature is the dynamic content that is responsive to user input. तो अब जो स्टैटिक पेज नहीं हुआ करते थे इस तरह की वेबसाइट्स में, बल्कि वो डायनामिक कंटेंट पे बिल्ड हुआ करती थी, जिसमें अगर आप कोई यूज़र इनपुट करता था तो वो वेबसाइट रिस्पॉन्स भी करती थी. And information flows between site owner and site user by means of evaluation and online commenting. Now, the creator of the websites and the owner of the websites can take the feedback from the users of the websites or the consumers of the websites as well. So another feature of the developed APIs to allow self-usage such by a software application, and web access leads to the concern different from the traditional internet user base to a wide variety of users. So this in this kind of websites, the participation of the users have been increased as compared to the Web 1.0. So when we talk about the usage of Web 2.0, so these are the three main feature of the Web 2.0 on the basis of the usage: its functionality, its design platforms, and its technologically upgrades. And on the basis of these three features, now we have blogging sites, we have a blogging facilities on the web. We can now tag the people in our communication. Bookmarking system on the webs have been introduced. Social networking becomes somehow possible on the websites. Social media emerged during this phase, and web content voting have also been introduced on such websites.